are getting through these modules. So again, set up the same way, and you are going to see that week 5 is chapter 5, which kind of makes things easy, right? We're back on track. So you have the choice between the OER, reading it, or listening to the audio textbooks. Okay. Week 5 discussion is a 2-part discussion where you reflect on the chapter and then you respond to 2 peers. Again, building that community. If you go to your next assignment, you will see that you will post one for advocacy. So obviously, if you see part 1 and 2, you know that the following week is going to have the rest of the parts. So this part is, in your own words, describe what it means to be an advocate, describe the essential skills an advocate must possess, and ways to advocate for a topic. And do you consider yourself an advocate? And what or who do you advocate for? If you consider yourself as an advocate, then explain why. Identify someone that you consider to be an advocate, and then explain why. So after you post your initial response, part 2 of the assignment is for you to respond to 2 peers. So easy breezy, right? And that's going to do this week. And then the last is a build a emergency kit. And so this is actually going to take you to, this is again one of those little tiny links where there's a little arrow that I showed you in the how to start. But if you click here, it's going to take you. And at first it just looks like there's nothing to click. Why are we even doing this? If I click on the thing, it doesn't work. But if you click on ready, then it works. And then you have to pick the items that you need to leave in a hurry. There are 5 stages, and then the final, I'm going to move, the final is that you can print out your completion, right? I don't need you to print it out. You can screenshot it, and then you can upload it so that I know you are complete. But each one of those stages, you don't have to do it for each one of those stages, just the final result. The cool thing is that it's completely interactive. So if you're taking things that don't belong, it's going to say, oops, you're taking this when you should be taking this. So just kind of follow along and have fun with it. Emergency preparedness is not something that we can have fun with at times. So anytime we get a chance to get something engaging, let's do it, right? All right. So at a glance, that is week 5. A little fun, a little advocacy, a little what you learned. And the big thing is just building that community and having fun with it. Again, you are not done after those 3 assignments. You need to keep building and read chapter 6. I will see you next week.